Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Most of you probably already saw on Tuesday we launched a new video series called Cool Tech Tips and Tutorials. Now that's been in the planning for a couple of months. However, now that I'm locked in the house due to quarantine, well, it seems like the ideal opportunity for me to finish the videos and to give you guys something to watch if you're in the same situation. Now, there was a second half to that, and that is that the idea was always to upload a second video per week on a Sunday, which contained more flying content, so be it out at the flying field or even event coverage. However, due to the situation, unfortunately, I can't get out there to make any flying videos, and even the weather has gone against us because I've not been able to fly in the garden as it's been too windy. So this is where I came up with a challenge for all of you guys. Send me a short video of yourselves flying from quarantine. So that can be on the simulator, it can be flying a foamy in the house, or flying something in the garden. But it has to be from the safety of your own property and within quarantine. Upload those to wherever you want, be it YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Just drop a link in the comments below. I will then choose the best videos to include in next Sunday's video. So if you want to get on the channel, this is the perfect time to do it. And of course, it wouldn't be fair for me to ask all of you to make a video if I didn't do one myself. So I'm going to try flying this thing in here, which this place probably isn't as big as it looks on YouTube. And I'm surrounded by expensive airplanes, so I'm really hoping that this doesn't go too badly wrong. If it does, well, you're all going to enjoy it. And no, I haven't had a practice, and this isn't something that I normally do in here. This thing has only ever flown outdoors or in massive hangars. Okay, bit of a wobbly start. The wind is actually not helping. There we go. There, that was stressful, but planes are safe, so it's all good. I actually have already had a look at a few videos that have been on Facebook, and until now, I have to say that my favourite is this one. It was sent to me by a good friend and organiser of Western Park Air Show, Steve Bishop. Talk about ingenuity. How brilliant is that, right? I mean, who needs a foamy when you have a control line, a small RC beast, and a bit of ingenuity? Absolutely brilliant. Well done, Steve. So, if just like Steve, you want to get your video featured in next week's episode, just drop it anywhere you want, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, and leave a link in the comments below. I really look forward to seeing all the videos, and I'll be including as many of them as I can in next week's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all, literally, next time. I'm Martin Pickering, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to come back every Tuesday for a new episode of Cool Tech Tips and Tutorials, and on Sundays for flying videos and event coverage. Or hit that subscribe button and the bell that's next to it in order to receive a reminder when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.